Hello children. Operation of fraction. Inside we see the addition, subtraction of the mixed fraction, and today we will see the multiplication of a fraction. And for that we will do the activity. It is given in your textbook also. See, we have to multiply here 3 by 5 into 1 by 2. What? We have to multiply 3 by 5 into 1 by 2. So first of all, we have to divide. This is a rectangular strip I had taken here. This is a rectangular strip and I divide it into 5 parts. So how many parts are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 equal parts we have to divide. Now afterwards what we have to show that shade the how much part? 3 by 5 part from this inner. So we have to color it, this part. From these 5 parts we will color the 3. From 5 we have to color the 3 parts. So I will color here 3 parts. Okay. Now these 3 parts I have colored. Now what we have to do? Into half. Means this 5 is there. It's half we have to do. So what we have to do? 1/2 of this 3 by 5th. So here it is 3 by 5th. This strip is the 3 by 5th strip. Okay, and its half we have to do. So what we will do here, we will draw the horizontal line. First of all, I will divide this into the equal parts, and so here I will get the center line or the horizontal line, and so I will draw here. This is the half of this 3 by 5. This is the half of 3 by 5. So we have to find its multiplications answer. So first what I will do. So this horizontal part is there. It's a half part I will do. This half part is here. This is the first half part and this is second half part. Now I will this show with different color. So here it is different lines. Otherwise I will use here different color also. You can use different color also for that. So here I will use the blue color for it. Okay, half part of this 5 lines I am drawing now here. Okay, now here if you see the both colored lines are present in which part? 1, 2, 3. How many? 1, 2, 3. So here 3 by 5th means this 3 is the part of the 3 by 5th, that is the fraction, and half means this whole strip is there. Its half means this is colored with the blue color. So this is 3 by 5th. These black lines are there, big 3 are there. It is 3 by 5th, and its half we have to find out. So whole strip I have divided into 2 parts and I color it with the blue color. Now I got the both color. Both colors are present in which parts? 1, 2, 3. These 3 that rectangles are there. It shows the same color. So this is the answer. So its answer is how we have to write. Here it is 3. But this 3 shows the both colors. This part shows the 3. Part shows the both colors. This 3 part shows the both the colors. But how many are there total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total how many parts are there? 10 parts are there. Okay, how many parts are there? 10. And out of 10 parts, the 3 parts shows the both colored lines. So here answer is 3 upon 10. In this way we show this with the strip how to solve this example. And normally so this is a common part we took as a answer, and this common part is out of how many boxes are? Total boxes are 10, and from out of 10 boxes 3 parts shows the common in both, and that's why its answer is 3 upon 10. So indirectly if you use this strip for understanding, otherwise we can do the directly. We have to do the numerators multiplication and afterwards we have to do the denominators multiplication. So you can solve it in this way also. You just multiply here 3, the numerators multiplication 3 ones are 3, and denominators multiplication. So here 5 into 2, 5 into 2, and its answer is also 3 ones are 3. You learn the tables first of all because tables are very important. So this is the 3 upon 10. We get both method by activity method also by using this strip. By using this strip also we can show this. Otherwise we will solve it by our common method, that is by the simple multiplication method. So what we are understanding from this, when multiplying two fractions, when multiplying two fractions. So here are two fractions, 3 upon 5 and 1 upon 5. When multiplying two fractions, the product of the numerator, the product numerator. So here it is 3 is numerator and 5 is denominator. If you take any fraction, then the numerator, upper part is the numerator. This is the numerator and this is the denominator. This is numerator and this is denominator. Okay, so this is and this is the sign upon. This is called as upon or divide. This sign 3 divided by 10. You say 3 upon 10. So this is the sign. So what is we get know from this? When we multiplying, so this by this activity, otherwise simple multiplication of numerator and denominators, we get the answer. So what you know from this? When multiplying two fraction, the product of the numerator is written in the numerator. Is written in the numerator. Okay, so here it is numerator's product 3 into 1. So here it is 3 into 1. Its product we are writing in the numerator. So 3 1s are 3. Its product is here. Okay, and that of the denominator and that of the denominator. That of the denominator. So denominator's product also we are writing in the denominator. So that of the denominator in the denominator. So that we understand from this activity and this simple multiplication. So when multiplying two fractions, when we are multiplying these two fractions, the product of numerator is written in the numerator. So these are the product of the numerator is written in the numerator and product of the denominator we are writing in the denominator. That we understand from this. Now we will see some of the example. So example is the Sulochana Bai. This example which is given in the textbook, that only I will take now. Sulochana Bai owns 42 acres of farm land. Okay, owns 42 acres of farmland. If she planted wheat on 2/7 of the land. Out of 42 acres, she has 42 acres of land, and from that 42 acres she planted 2/7 part. What? With the wheat. Okay, so with wheat on the land. On how many acres? On how many acres has she planted wheat? That is the question. It is very easy, as you know that addition and the subtraction of the mixed fraction is little bit harder than this, but this is very easy. Multiplication is very easy. So what we have to do, first of all, how much acres she land have? She have 42 acres of land she have, and out of 42 acres she planted how much? 2/7 part with the wheat. So we have to find how many acres she had planted the wheat. So first of all, what we have to write here in answer inside. So this is our answer. We must find out. So out of 42 acres, 2/7. So we have to find out 2/7 of 42 means how many acres. So we write here, we must find out 2/7 of 42 acres. 2/7 of 42 acres. So how we will find out? Therefore 2/7 of 42 acres. Here generally these questions are there, no? So what we have to do here? We have to give here multiplication of fractions are there. This 42 means also, it is also a fraction, because here if any number is not there, if you are writing simple 42 here as it is, so it has a denominator and it is 1. And 1 if you are writing, okay, and if you are not writing then also okay. So 2/7 into 42 upon 1. Okay, so what we done it here, 2 by 7 into 42 upon 1 is equals to, what we will get it here, 42. So what I did here, when multiplying two fractions, when we are multiplying two fractions, so here are two fractions, 2 by 7 and 42 upon 1. So now what we have to do here, we have to divide 2 by 7 and 42 upon 1. So here what we will do, simple way, you can divide it in this way also. I will show here, 7 1s are 7 and 7 6 are 42 and 6 2s are 12. You will get the easily answer. In this way also you can divide. If in your textbook how it is given, that I will show you. Direct division is not shown here. What they had done here, 42s means what they written here, first of all, is equals to 42 means what? This 2 as it is written here, multiplication of 2 into 42 divided by 7 into 1. 7 into 1. So what we had done it here, when multiplying two fractions, product of numerators. So the numerators are 2 into 42. So its product we written in the numerator's position. And product of denominator means 7 into 1. Its product we written in the denominator's position. Okay. So here what we have to do here, 7 into 42 means what? 2 we written here, and 42 means 7 into 6. 7 6 are what? 42. And here it is 7. Now 7 get cancelled with this 7 they had done in this way, and here it is 2 into 6 is equal to how much? 12 acres of land she planted what? Wheat. In this way you solve the example. Otherwise, or method, another one more method is there, just I told you, 2 upon 7 into 42. So directly you can do it this also. 7 1s are 7, 7 6s are 42 is equal to 2 into 6. In future you have to use this, but this year you have to use this only step because step carries the mark. And 2 6 are 12 acres of the land. In this way, this is the second method and that is the first method. This is calculations method only, different. So if Sulochana Bai have 42 acres of land, and from this 42 acres, see 2 by 7th land, if she planted with then how many acres she planted with? 12 acres she planted the what? The wheat she planted. Now here in your book some examples are given, that simple multiplications are there. We will see some of the example and word problems are also given here in your textbook. So we will see some multiplications. Okay, so first of all we will see the multiplication of some fractions. So I will take my own examples for this. So here it is, I will take 2 by 7 into, first example, 2 by 7 into 9 upon 2. Okay, so what I told you, just I told you, numerator's multiplication, so 2 into 9 upon denominator's multiplication, 7 into 2. Okay, so here you just do the multiplication, then also okay, 9 2s are 18, otherwise you just cancel this 2 with 2, you will get here answer 9 upon 7. Okay, or what we have to do, 9 2s are 18, 7 2s are 14, and then you have to divide this. When you divide this with the 2, you will get answer same, 2 7s are 14 and 2 9s are 18. You will get both the cases, answer is 9 upon 7 only. Okay, so these are the two ways to solve the example. Now we will see some more examples for it. So second example we will take, here I will take 14 upon 5 into 20 upon 7. 14 upon 5 into 20 upon 7. So for that you have to do the numerators multiplication. So 14 into 12 divided by 5 into 7. Okay, so here if you divide this, you will get the answer. If you divide in this way, 7 1s are 7 and 7 2s are 14 and 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. So in this way also you will get the answer. So what I done, 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20, 7 1s are 7 and 7 2s are 14. Here I got here 2 into 4 upon 1. So here it is 4 2s are 8 is its answer. You solve it in this way, or one more method I will tell you. 14 we have to, here what this we have to do the multiplication. 14 into 2 divided by 5 into 7 is equal. 14 means what? 7 2s are 14 into 20 means 5 4s are 20 and divide it with the 5 into 7. So 5 get cancelled with this 5, 7 get cancelled with this 6, 7, and you will get here 2 into 4, and 2 into 4 means what? Its answer is 8. You solve it in any method you choose and you solve it. Okay. So this is the second example we solve. So you have to solve these examples also. These examples also in your notebook. Now we will see the third example. And we will solve this example. We will take the word problem which is given in your textbook. First word problem. Okay. It is easy. Ashok Rao planted bananas. Second example from your word problem from practice set number 12 we will take now. Ashok Rao planted bananas on 2/7 of his field. Okay, of 21 acres. How many acres he have land? So 21 acres of land we have. What is the area of banana plantation? So we have to find out what is the area of banana plantation, that we have to find out. So how to find it? Just we seen in the first example how first we have to write. We must find out answer inside we have to write. So Ashok Rao how many acres of land? 21 acres. And from this 2/7 part he planted the bananas. So we have to find the banana plantations area. So here first of all what we will do? We must find out 2/7 of 21 acres. 2/7 of 21 acres. So here what we have to do? 2/7 into 21. You just do 21 if you are writing as it is then also okay. Otherwise what we have to write here? Or 2/7 into 21/1. You can use this method. So numerator here it is numerator. Denominator write it's okay. Otherwise 2 into 21. Otherwise divided by 7. So here you can do in this way. 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21, and here 2 3s are 6 acres. Or another method is there. 2 into 21/7 is equals to 2 into 21 means what? 7 into 3. 7 into 7 3s are 21. So instead of 21 you write here 7/7 into 3, and here 7. 7 get cancelled with 7. So 2 into 3 is equals to 6 acres of land. 6 acres of land he planted with the banana trees. Okay, and then so in this way we have to solve the word problems. Next week word problem we will see. So in this way you have to solve the word problem. Now the next word problem is there in your textbook, and it is hot question. Star mark is given there. So it is hot question, means you have to use our brain whenever you are solving this question. So of the total number of soldiers, see in your textbook, soldier in our army 4/9 posted on the northern border. 1/3 of them we have to them on northeastern border. And if number of soldiers in the north border is 5,40,000, then how many posted on the northeast? That is the question, and it is use your brain powers question. So you have to try this question at first. If you are, then I'm going to explain in next lecture only, but you have to try at least first. If you try and solve, then good. Then you just try and solve and send me my personal number. Okay, if you solve it, it's very good. If not, then also don't worry, because I will explain it in the next lecture. So today we see how to do the multiplication of fraction. For that we had seen the activity. Okay, this activity we had seen, and by using this activity we solve the example. Afterwards multiplication also we had done, and from this we find the definition of the multiplication of fraction. So what is multiplication? When multiplying to fraction, the product of numerator is written in the numerator, and when the product of denominator is written in the denominator. So here 3 1s are 3 and 5 2s are 10. Afterwards we solve some example, solved example, and another example, my own examples I solve it here. Now what we have to do here, you have to do the practice of these examples also, and third question you just try, at least try. If it is not wrong, then also no problem, but you try it. So we will stop it here only today. Okay, thank you.